Hello and welcome back to the Cyber Hero. Today in this video, we are going to understand the network attacks. Network attacks are unauthorized attempt to access, steal, or alter data within computer network. This presentation explores various types of network attacks and provides clear explanation of each. So, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and hit the like this video. So let's start without wasting more time. In the first slide, we are going to discuss here what is a network attack. Let's start with the basic definition. A network attack It occurs when a hacker attempts to break into a network. Simple, so much simple. How it occurs when a hacker attempts to break into a network. The motivate it can include stealing data, blocking essential services, or spying on user to gather sensitive information. Why will a hacker attack a network? What can be her achievement motives? These motives are here. Maybe stealing data, blocking essential service, or spying on the users, gather sensitive information. What are the impacts? Network attacks make the network vulnerable to exploitation. Now, next slide, we will see some types of network attacks. Very important topic. Various network areas can be classified into types, including DOS, DDoS, man-in-the-middle, so on and so on. DOS attack. Another one is man-in-the-middle attack, sniffing, spoofing, port scanning, session hijacking, brute force attacking. So these are some main attacks which are done on the network. If you want a dedicated video on every attack, how they are done, what is working, full explanation if you want, please let me know in the comment section. I will go from there. Here I simply give an overview of what are the types of network attacks. I think I have also given an overview of these attacks in this series. So then moving next to a slide where we will see understanding DOS and DDoS attack. DOS denial of service, DDoS distributed denial of service. Attacks are significant threat to online service. DOS attack involves overwhelming service through causing the cache. Single server overloading causing downtime. It's so much simple for a DOS attack. DDoS attack, multiple system amplify the attacks, increases disruption. So this is difference between DOS and DDoS attack. For DOS attack on a single system, millions of requests are sent at a time. For DOS attack, multiple systems. Here you can see that is multiple system amplifies the attack, increases disruption. Here single server upload causing downtime. Now, what is the impact? Result in significant service downtime and loss. Now, let's give an overview of a man-in-the-middle attack. A method where hackers strictly interfere in communication. Attacks can lead or alter data without user knowledge. Often happens on insecure public Wi-Fi network. That is why I always tell you don't use public Wi-Fi without VPN. First avoid if you hide. Now, understanding sniffing attacks. What does the sniffing attack mean? Sniffing involves hackers capturing and analyzing network traffic to extract sensitive information such as password, personal messages. What are the tools here used? Wireshark facilitates their attacks. Wireshark is a very famous tool used for monitoring traffic, network traffic and networking, so on. Sniffing attacks is also there used. These attacks are prevalent from a cybercrime when a hacker captures an another network try to gain access to sensitive information. I told you if you want a dedicated video, I will make a dedicated video with practical. Let me know in the comment section. Now, what does the spoofing mean? A hacker impersonating another user or device. Methods include IP spoofing, email spoofing, make spoofing to gain unauthorized access to a system or information. Hope it is clear. Port scanning technique. Nmap can be used here. Tools like Nmap are commonly used. Port scanning is a technique used by hackers to identify open ports on a computer system, which serve as a potential entry point to attack. Tools like Nmap assist in scanning for vulnerability allow attackers to exploit weak defense in network security. So, for definition, port scanning helps us identify open ports on a system. Purpose used to find vulnerability for attacks. Tools like Nmap are commonly used. Now, here comes how to defend against these network. We can use some softwares or hardwares to make secure network. First, firewalls. We can configure firewall, control incoming and outgoing network traffic. We can use IDSs, we can use VPNs, we can use robust password policies, encryption is a technique, continuous network monitoring. These are the some main techniques. We have already discussed this, what are the firewall, how these work, how IDSs work, how VPN works. So it's waste of time to repeat them. You can check out the playlist and go there. Here it was an overview. Hope you like this video. In this video, what we discuss some network attacks. There you an overview. That is it. If you learn something new, please hit that subscribe button and like button. See you in the next video.